if you guys remember this, but the exterior angle theorem says that these two opposite or adjacent angles add up to this exterior angle. In other words, this plus this equals this. So I can say 79 plus x plus 17 equals 11x plus 6. So I have the adjacent angles, and they are going to add up to, they're going to add up to the exterior angle. So now the first thing that I want to do when I'm solving an equation, I want to combine like terms on each side of the equal sign. 79 is constant, there's no variable. 17 is constant, there's no variable. I add those up. Okay, so that's going to be 96. Now x, I can't do anything with right now, so I'm just going to drop it down. On this side, I have one variable, one constant, really nothing to simplify, no like terms to combine. I want all the x's on one side, and I gotta move this x over to this side. But this is technically 1x, isn't it? Yeah. So if I want to move a positive 1x, no, dividing by 1 doesn't move the x though. Yeah. Well, hold on, just relax. Let's explore that. If I divide by 1, I'm not moving the x. But if I subtract 1x from here, and I do that on the other side, then 1x minus 1x equals 0. 0 plus 96 is 96. So I've moved that x over to the other side. Okay. Now 11x minus 1x is what? 10x. If I have 11 x's in my hand and I pull one out, I'm left with 10. And then plus 6 just remains here. Now this starts to look like a regular problem that you guys might be used to. Do I move the 10 or the 6? 6. Why? Because it's easier. If I'm adding 6, the opposite of adding 6 is? So I'm going to subtract 6 from this side. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. And I get 90 is equal to 10x. 10x means 10 times x. The opposite of multiplying by 10 is dividing by 10. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times x is x. Well, bam, with the bacon sizzle, x equals 9.
Number 9 through 12, easy. We can do that.
You think so, huh?
They just asking.
Well, hold on, I'm still recording.